ILStv spoke with Renate Mueller at the recent CUISA conference in Vancouver, BC, and asked her to discuss the issues currently facing credit union insurance divisions.
Well, it's nice of you to chat with me today. I've been attending the CUISA conference, and I have to apologize for my raspy voice, Tyson, because I've been fighting a chest cold for 2 weeks, so I hope it'll come back to normal. We'll get through the interview easily. However, my background is actually with a credit union as well as many other aspects in business. I was a chairman of a large credit union a number of years ago, along with being on the board of directors for many years. So my very first loan actually came when I was 18 years old from a credit union, so I think my heart and my soul is quite dear to the credit union movement in general. However, the credit unions in British Columbia now have, as you well know, expanded very well into the insurance industry, the property and casualty insurance sector, and many of them have very, very successful insurance operations. However, some credit unions have now not been so successful. The numbers aren't there and the profitability isn't there. So we have seen some large credit unions as well as smaller ones divesting themselves of their insurance assets for various reasons, but generally it's directed by the board of directors, and they take a look at the profitability. And as you know, that there's two very distinct divisions in credit unions. One is the banking and the other is the insurance sector, and they don't always gel according to what management sees and understands. Well, the insurance brokerages in the credit union sector have the same issues as the property and casualty insurance brokers outside of the credit union system. And in fact, their staffing isn't any different. They have the same staffing issues as looking for good staff, training good staff, motivating good staff, as well as keeping good staff. They also have issues with markets. They need to make sure they have enough insurer markets to be competitive in the marketplace for their consumers, and their consumers generally are their members. The other issue that I think I have seen is that the credit unions generally do not have a thumb on the pulse of how many of their members are actually customers of the insurance brokerages. And that is something that some credit unions can in fact collect data on and others can't. And with not having that information, it doesn't help them in broadening and marketing to the membership at large, that is in credit unions. So there are some privacy issues and other concerns that it impacts on their growth pattern.